Silver and a dollar fake out. Now, the last couple of days looks like silver was taking a hit. Today it's up a little bit. The other metals are down a little bit, but means nothing. Means nothing. Don't sell it. Keep buying, if anything. It's not going down to the 20s anymore. That's history. That's history. You know, there's a couple indications, and this is what I go by. Don't go by, the SGTs and the BJFs and the Chris Dwaynes and the guy selling the books and all that garbage and the Alex Jones and Lindsey Williams. Go by the guys with the big bucks. What did they do? What way did they bet? George Soros buys lots of GLD. Do you think gold is going down? You think it's going down to 1,500 even? Hell no. Mark Faber, he's increased his holdings over the last, it was quite a while ago actually, maybe 6 months or so, but he increased him up to over 25% physical gold. You got Paulson buying more gold. He's in there, and also Warren Buffett. So, what do you think's going to happen? I mean, it's pretty much a no-brainer. So you got a little breather in the market, big deal. It ain't going down to 20-something. Silver ain't going down to 20-something. It's not. Period. Period. I expect the damn thing to actually hit. It's going to keep climbing up to record highs. And when I think there's going to be a major pullback, probably more in early 2013, then it's going to take off like a rocket from there again. That's what's going to happen. So, I don't know. Every time it goes down, I hear talk that it's going to go down to like a rock. Every time it goes up, there's other people that come out that say it's going to go to the moon. Neither one of them are correct. That's really what it is. Basically, the trend is definitely up, but we've already had, that was the last pullback we've had there. I thought it was going to go to 24, 25. It didn't. It didn't. It just stuck around 26 for a real long time, and then now with QE. But what gives me a lot of confidence, you got to look at what Soros is doing, and even Buffett's doing it, and Mark Faber's doing, and Paulson. They're not betting the wrong way. They're not. They're throwing down their money. It ain't talk. When you throw down your money, that means you're really behind it. It's not a bunch of BS. So, I got no faith in the Alex Jones and the Lindsey Williams and, the BJF or the SGT, the Chris Dwayne or that Greg Vegas guy or whatever. I got no faith in any of those guys at all. And none at all. But I do have a lot of faith that silver and gold is going to go way the hell up, despite what any of them say. It's going way the hell up. I do expect, though, let's just keep this in mind. It's like if this happens. If silver goes up to record highs in real short order, I mean, all of a sudden, it just blasts right through 50 in the next few months or so. That would be a sign to sell something because of that fiscal cliff. That's not BS. The fiscal cliff is coming up. It's more like early 2013. But, there's going to be other factors going to be pushing silver back up. Tensions in the Middle East, oil wars, and things like that. Commodities will go up during times of war. So, don't worry about this dollar fake out. It's I could say it's not going down that much. It ain't. That's all I gotta say. And when Romney wins the election, not that I'm voting for him or Obama, when he wins the election, you're gonna see the markets take off and have a big boost in November. So that's only like a few weeks away. So there you go. So I'm giving you a solid, accurate prediction here. Actually, it's probably you can bet your money on it, but I'm not betting any leverage. The only thing I got is oil leverage. I'm betting because Lindsey Williams told me at some point in 2012, oil's going up like a rocket. You son of a bitch, you better be right, you damn bastard, because, this guy has been wrong so many goddamn times in the last couple years. Hey, we all know the general basics, the general trends, and I also could read the major news media. But as far as specific events that have been told to me, that guy's been flat out wrong. But we do know that silver and gold are going up. There's no doubt about it. The trend is upward for at least a few more years. So this dollar thing is a fake out for the last couple of days. That's all I got to say. I want to keep a short update here because It ain't going down to 25. It's bullshit. It ain't even going down to 30. It might go down to 33 or something. But, I see by the end of the year it's going to be well into the 40s because Romney's going to win, and the big boys on Wall Street are going to love that, and that's going to help the markets. And there you go.